cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
Nigel, what are you doing here?
Summer, let me explain about the other day.
This is not a great time.
It will just take a few moments, I promise. We can go down to the coffee shop. I know you like coffee.
Yeah, that sounds great, but, Callie and I are actually getting ready to go out of town. Yeah, we're going out of town this weekend. I really just don't have any time. What? Callie, don't you remember? We're going to the ski lodge this weekend.
Oh, that was this weekend?
Oh, yeah, she's always forgetting stuff like that. Yeah, we have plans.
Do you mean the lodge that's about an hour from here?
Yeah, that one, with all the snow and stuff. So I really can't chat right now. We have to get packed. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Summer, are we really going to a ski lodge?
Yep, gotta commit to the story. Get your suitcase. We're headed to the mountains.
Man, I really did not want to leave the room today. I can't believe I allow you to pull me into all your drama. I'm literally dragging a suitcase through the snow. It's cold.
I see the cabin. It's just a little farther. It's crazy how the lodge is so far from the parking lot, right? It's like a winter adventure. Look on the bright side. At least it's not snowing.
We made it.
And look, they got skis.
Yeah, it's a ski lodge, Summer.
I know that. I'm just trying to get you excited about this weekend. Yay! Ski lodge!
I could be in my room, where it's warm. Whoa.
Come on in, come in. You are letting all the warm air out. Caroline, is that you? I didn't know you were gonna be here this weekend. Oh, everyone's here. Nigel, Jazz, Damon. But don't worry, there is one room left.
Wait, did you say Nigel?
Yes. What? Ha! Do you want me to go and get everyone to tell them that you're here? No, that's okay. Can you just show us to the empty room? It was a long walk from the parking lot. Sure, right this way. What is going on? I was trying to avoid Nigel.
Oh great, there's just one bed.
And now he's here at the same ski lodge. What do I do?
Are you gonna complain all weekend?
Callie, this is a very difficult time for me right now.
This is gonna be a long weekend. I'm gonna get changed and then go into the common room. Comfy clothes, check. Computer, check. I'm out.
Callie, wait for me. What you doing over there, Callie?
Just studying for my test.
Is she here?
Yes, she's here. But this time, you gotta play it cool.
Not like that train wreck that was your date.
That was not my fault. Well, it was, but it was also Damon. Hey, don't drag me into this. If you had followed my advice, everything would have gone perfectly. You gave very bad advice.
Okay. I need somebody to tell me what is going on here.
It all started when I told Damon I had a date with Summer. I'm about to level up an insectoid invasion. You will never guess who has a date with Summer! Ow, Nigel, what are you yelling about? I am going to the movies with Summer on a date. Well, it's about time. Now, where was I? I gotta find something to wear. What? No, don't do that. What? I look good in this jacket. No, don't wear some fancy outfit. It'll look like you're trying too hard. Wear what you wear every day. Girls like that. Oh, okay. I did not know. Well, I guess I have time then to call the movies and find out what time that sci-fi show is playing. She will love that. I can get there early and buy the tickets. Nigel, you're doing this all wrong. What? Really? Have a seat and prepare to be enlightened. First, don't arrive early. Being a few minutes late adds to the excitement. Are you sure about that? And don't pick some sci-fi action movie. You gotta go with a romantic comedy. Girls love that. But Summer loves sci-fi movies. Trust me, Nigel. You've been in the friend zone for so long, you don't know what it's like to take a girl out. Oh yeah, and don't forget to do the arm stretch. I went to the gym yesterday. No. The arm stretch is when you casually stretch out your arms, like this, so you can put your arm around her shoulders. Damon, I think I'll do it my way. Trust me, Nigel. It's a classic.
Oh, wow. That is terrible advice.
I know, and I want to explain everything to Summer. No, Nigel, don't do that.
I think we've had enough advice from you, Damon. Nigel, you and Summer belong together, so you just do what you think is right. Hey, what's going on? Hey, we just thought it would be fun to sit around the fire and share our Christmas wishes. Oh, okay, great. Let me go get Jazz.
Damon, do you mind if I sit here?
No, go ahead. Oh, I mean, sorry, that seat is taken.
Oh, okay then. I guess I'll be sitting right here. Now that we're all here, I'll go first. My holiday wish is to have a shopping spree at the mall. Damon, what about you?
Oh, I don't know. I can already run really fast and I have great hearing. I guess I would like to be less sensitive to sunlight. Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of random.
You know what? You almost sound like a vampire.
What? No, I mean, my wish is for socks. Yeah, just give me some socks.
Aw, that's too bad, cause my holiday wish is to meet a vampire. And maybe a werewolf puppy.
What? Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. Okay, Callie, your turn.
I would like to study for my finals in peace.
Nigel, what about you?
I wish for everyone who wants a second chance to get a second chance.
Why is everybody looking at me?
Let me explain.
Not this again, Nigel. Look, we've been great friends for years, and let's just leave it at that. I need some air. I'm gonna take a quick walk. I'll be back.
But Summer, it's freezing out there.
Don't worry, I won't go far.
Whoa, that couldn't have gone any worse. Thanks.
Who's up for hot cocoa?
She's been gone for a while. Maybe I should go and take a walk too.
Nigel, she probably just needs a little space. Give her some time.
Yeah, you're right.
Y'all, is summer back? It just started snowing.
Yeah, there's a blizzard moving in.
Oh no, Summer!
Don't worry, I will find her.
What if Summer gets lost in the snow? She has no direction. She can barely find her way around a closet.
Don't worry, Callie. He'll find her.
Oh, great. It's snowing, and I'm lost.
Summer! Summer, where are you?
Seriously, who gets lost walking to their car? Ah! Ow! My ankle. Great. I'm gonna freeze.
Summer!
Wait, is that Nigel? Nigel! I'm over here!
Summer, are you okay?
I hurt my ankle. I don't think I can walk.
Oh no, this does not look good. I am going to have to carry you.
What? No, I am not a damsel in distress. I can do this on my own. Watch. Ow, ow. Okay, never mind.
Come here. Ugh.
Wow, are you gonna carry me all the way back to the lodge?
No, the lodge is too far, and you are too heavy.
Thanks.
There is a cabin not far from here, and a blizzard is on its way, so we must find shelter.
A random cabin in the woods? Do you think it has Wi-Fi?
Seriously? All right, here we are. Sit right here and put your feet up. I found a blanket.
Wow, thanks.
It's no big deal. It's just what super awesome heroes do.
Did you just call yourself a super awesome hero?
Well, did I rescue you?
Yeah, but...
Okay then, I am your hero, and I deserve a second chance. What do you say, Summer?
Year went by.
To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
Is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow is